yesterday I reached Auroville, and I knew that I was supposed to write certain things for you, but I felt sad that I was not able to participate. So today morning I came with Kumud and he showed me the whole exhibition, so when you are not there, so please, I want to know a lot about this painting that you did, which is special to all our Aurovillians' heart. You did show with those flame, bonfire, the urn, Auroville symbol, our beautiful Mathu out, and all of us sitting in front of
one soul.
One soul, and that soul all comes and envelopes itself in Mathu Mandir. So please share this experience.
Friend Janmajey invited our friend Manoj to go to the show. Actually, Manoj just gifted me 2 books before he passed away, 3 months before. So he come to my exhibition in intact photographs. He come and he liked the show, but he told he will write about my photograph. But I told to write the note, he told your eyes, some photo I see very nice, so I will write very specially. I'll write it. So I told, okay, take your time. Suddenly, after 1 week, he called me. And he told, Rajendran, you come to meet me in my office. So I have something for you. Then I went. Then he gave 2 books, photography. He told I didn't use fully because I focused fully on painting. So I said, you are traveling in painting also, photography. So I think you will use this book completely. So this book will help you. It is like very nice book from United States. It is a book very long time. So someone will get too much and he gifted to you. So I was sharing that moment when he was passing away in front of his body. So Janmajey. Janmajey invited to why don't you do one show for him? I thought thinking anything I should okay. So then after I come center, I was thinking, okay, we are going to put the show in Bharat. So this some more already I have. Some more I want to make specially for the show. So then this canvas I look for some other purpose. Painted texture white and everything structured. So suddenly mother photo was there. So I see the photo nearly 1 o'clock night. Then I told that seeing the reason I got this idea. So why don't you paint Mandir with the meditation, bonfire? So for united, all of them united and good purpose. So that really went up. Then suddenly I start taking this canvas, start sketching. So on developing. So then I found this all human. I don't want to differentiate in the colors and the sports. So I all souls.
Souls.
Yeah, souls. Together.
Not exactly the human, but the soul.
Souls. So divine. So all connected for good purpose. Together for something making good for the world. So I just made all this pattern completed with the work. So the start pass into the way
The soul of banetry, all the souls joining together.
So then I completed.
Thank you very
How
much.
that the painting was.
Beautiful. Absolutely. You know, the interesting thing is when you did the banetry, there's another story which you did the painting symbolic. Mother said there will be a mountain near Mathu Mandir. And this looks like banetry and also the mountain.
Yes, someone also.
Yes. So it is like a symbolic both. So both the souls joining together in one shape. So very interesting.
I don't think that's banetry in my imagination,
But it can mean both.
yeah. So you are known more about.
So no, and the thing is, when you look from this side, no, the mountain is actually this side.
Okay.
The mountain, if I am sitting now, I am looking at the Mathu Mandir this side, no? When you look at banetry, exactly to that side is the mountain, not this side.
Okay.
It is this side only.
Okay.
So,
In future, it might
yes.
come.
So, partially, I don't know whether they have already started. They have excavated. Mother said to excavate the thing from the earth to make the lake. And that same mud to use for mountain, and on top of that to put pine trees. And she even said that the soul, soul of the snow will come to Auroville.
This painting is
So
It's symbolic.
it's symbolic for
in
that.
advance.
So thank you very much for your art.
Thank you for
We will
that.
just take one round to all
Yeah.
your works.
So Manoj told now that I have to use this book. So without getting a photograph also the exhibition. Other than it only painting. So in here was the
I know your
photography.
skill in photography.
So
I know very well. But I am able to see now your skill in painting also. For me, it's also very interesting that, especially this cow and this bird. And,
some of my photography I converted into painting.
it's hand.
And all this is graphite pencil and other pencil. This is the Indian ink without using water also. This is dry pastel color. Dry pastel is black, only black, no white color. This is charcoal, black charcoal. So I differentiate many tools
Now
also.
this is very
This is
interesting.
Indian ink, Aurobindo trees, Aurobindo trees.
Very beautiful. You did a lot of with Indian ink, huh?
Yes.
I used to use Indian ink long ago. Very interesting. This also.
Yeah.
This seems to be Auroville again.
Some part
Little
of
Palmyra, little place. I love this also. It is a very Japanese feel.
actually it's interesting